How much are your figures?
It's 10 for the smaller ones, 20 for the bigger ones.
Okay.
I don't know anything about them.
They just look neat.
From a lady's private collection. She wanted to get rid of them.
Okay.
Oh, we had hundreds of them. Every kind of Harley Quinn you could think of, she had.
She collected them and everything?
Yeah. Oh. And now we're just trying to unload it.
All right. This is the place to do it. You got the right idea with the tent. How's it going?
Good.
I know, right? I chickened out and I'm sitting up at the depot today.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I'm going to try it. I never tried it there, so.
I didn't chicken out. I paid. I figured I'd be here.
Yeah, hey, if you already paid, I mean.
I do that just because.
Right.
Then I can pay for my spot for next week.
Right.
Saves me from running Saturday morning. What the heck? Tax write-off.
You might as well.
Yeah.
Were you pretty firm on the price of these, you think?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll get them. Do you have any other figures, or is that it?
That's it.
All right. It might turn around, but how much you asking on the Xbox?
$50.
Okay. How much were you asking on your figures?
Give me. I'll tell you what damn thing.
Whoop, I don't want to be in your way there,
You're
your
good,
tent.
You're good. I was just covering up some of this stuff in case of rain.
Check it out here.
It's hollow, man. It's all different shit.
Oh, would you take like 20 for all of it? They're gonna need some cleaning.
Oh yeah, yeah. They've been laying in the basement for the house. They use it there.
Probably best maybe is like 25 I can do. You meet me in the middle.
You want the tote with it, right?
Unless you maybe have some stuff to bag it up. I don't really need the tote, but just to make it.
Bought them. I paid. Yeah, it'll work.
Alrighty.
Sucks we can tote it.
What were you asking for the PlayStation there?
That's
80.
Alrighty. Let's get another good look. It's filthy. There's some good stuff down in here. It's gonna really need clean, but there's Joe's and everything else. Turtles, Police Academy, Pirates of, I think that's Pirates of Dark Water. A Rat King riding the bee. Soaked down the bottom. Paid 25. I mean, it's well worth more than that, but it's just filthy. A couple broken pieces. Look at that. Bucky's. Can't pass that up when you see it. You gotta. I know I keep asking you, but what were you asking on these ones here?
their price on them.
Some of them, like one of them had 5 on it there, and the other ones didn't have a price there.
I don't know what you want for these. What did Mickey want for those? Them probably $5 a piece.
man?
Okay.
My name on it. No. Bobby found a big tote.
Yeah, probably.